guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're not, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my wash day routine outside of the shower and outside of the sink. I'm going to be using the Herbal Essence Sulfate Free Honey and Vitamin B Daily Moisture Shampoo. And I will be conditioning my hair with Herbal Essence Deep Moisture Hello Hydration Conditioner. I will be detangling my hair with this one right here. So what you're going to need to do is have your hair sectioned. I know I look crazy, I know. Have a towel, have on clothes that you don't mind getting wet because you will get a little wet. And I have a spray bottle that was filled with hot water, but it's warming up right now. I'm going to go ahead and twist my hair very carefully. I'm going to start with the front first so you guys can see. So you can leave the twist in. I have a towel here. So I'm going to stop talking and just let you guys see what's going on. It's pretty self-explanatory.